Introducing QAliber. First, we will start by opening a new scenario simply by clicking File New, and then we will name it Calc Demo. Now we will go to the test case repository on the right, and we will select our first test case to add to the scenario. We will choose Display Message Box from Dialogs. We can choose in the message box what will be the text of the dialog box and the title. The text will just simply be Starting Calc Demo. This is just a sample to show you how in the middle of the run you can display a message box and make the user click OK. Now we will load from System Processes Start Process. We will choose the process to start. In the argument we will just write calc. We will move to the window to the middle of the screen. In order to do that, we need to open our calc instance from the on the right. We will choose where to move it to on the screen by pixels. We want to move it to 500, 500. Here I open calculator, and now I want to catch the object. I will click on the right on the right side of the control, and now I see that I can't select it, so I will arrange the window this way that I can select it. You see, I just drag the arrow and catch the calculator window, and then it is selected. I will now add another test case called Display Input Box. I will ask the user to enter the value that you want to multiply by 5. You can see that the user input will stay empty. We will use it a bit later. Now I will select Output to Variables in order to use the input in the test block ahead in the scenario. I will call the variable num1. As you can see, I selected it on the left, and on the bottom of the QAliber you can see that it was added to the variables list. This is an input from the display box. Now I added send keystrokes in order to send the user input to the calculator window. Again, I caught the calculator window. This time I just got the text box input of the calculator, and under keystrokes I used QAliber in order to tell him to select the num1 that we just chose. I will now do click mouse in order to click the multiplication. As you can see, I selected it, and I want to change the coordinate because 0, 0 will be the top left of the button. I wanted the click somewhere in the middle of the button.